After a month of waiting, we finally have it. We have the keyboard. Okay, let's open this thing up. Open up the package. Alrighty. Oh, look at that. Don't need to use this shit again. Okay. Look at that beauty. Look at that. Waited a whole month for this thing. Okay. Oh, look how nice that is. Oh my god. I've been watching reviews on this on YouTube, and oh, I finally have it. Okay, look at that, right? You got the take control thing that attaches to like the side of the keyboard here. Okay. Okay, cool card thing. Can I take it out? I think I do. Oh, it's like a postcard. Yeah. I'm gonna hang this up. Look at it, boys. We got it. Alright. Let's cover. And, of course, the keyboard. Most important part. I'll look at the cable after, but... Okay. Let's do a quick typing test on this. Oh, it actually sounds nice too. Oh, it feels like... Oh my god. I think like the one thing that I like don't like about this right now is that it doesn't have adjustable stand like with this one. Like you have the adjustable stand. Actually, there's like 2 levels of adjustability here, but this one doesn't have any, which is okay, I guess. I don't know. I prefer the elevated angle on like typing, but yeah. I mean, I like the typing sound, and of course we're gonna test in some games. Oh, and of course the cable, which I have to set up. Cable, right? And there's another bag. I actually don't know what's in here. Okay, so looks like we get a keycap puller. We get the extra switches, and what is this? Oh yeah, this is the thing to attach the thing on the side. Nice. Okay, now time for the typing test. Or the sound test, whatever you want to call it. Okay. Oh, nice.